Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup OneDrive via Microsoft Graph API detailed guide step. Begin by preparing your development environment. Install Visual Studio or your preferred IDE for coding. Ensure you have access to a Microsoft Azure account. Create a new app registration in the Azure portal. Set the appropriate permissions for accessing OneDrive data. Make sure to select Files.read-write all for full access. Take note of your application ID and client secret. Now, open your preferred programming language, such as Python or C#. Use the Microsoft Graph SDK for easier API interactions. Authenticate your application using the credentials from Azure. Implement the necessary code to obtain an OAuth 2.0 access token. Start by forming the authorization URL for user login. Redirect users to this URL to grant permission. After users log in, capture the authorization code. Exchange this code for an access token. With the access token, you can now make API calls. Next, request the user's OneDrive root folder information. Use the endpoint /me/drive/root/children to list files. Parse the JSON response to extract file details. Now, iterate over each file that you want to back up. For each file, use the download URL to access its data. Implement code to download each file to your local storage. Ensure to create corresponding directories if needed. Once all files are downloaded, verify their integrity. Consider logging the backup process for future reference. Optional, implement error handling for API limits or failures. Consider scheduling regular backups using a task scheduler. Test the entire backup process to ensure it works smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.